Okay, children, the time now is 4 p.m. Thank you for making it for this math lesson that is from 4 to 5:30. I'll promise to finish before 5:30. Like yesterday we finished in 1.5 hours. Still got time for one extra question, man. I'm getting better at this. Woo! All right, hello, Sharon, hello. All right, so let's begin with today's lesson. So today, right, we'll be finishing off with the paper one. We are doing mock 3, paper 1. Finish it off. All right, that means there's 5 more questions to finish, no calculator. Then we'll go into paper 2, the first 10 questions. Is that okay? So today we'll finish 15 questions. And if got time, yes, you all know my pattern, right? Math is all about pattern. Got one extra question after that. Is that okay? All right, so let's go and take a look at our paper 1 right now. Okay, so the things that you need for paper 1, all right, no calculator. Later, then take out your calculator. So these are the things. You've seen this so many times already, right? Yeah. Oh, 26 more days, all right, as of 5th of September to your math paper. All right, math paper. Your English paper is a day earlier, so there's about 25 days like that. All right, it's so exciting. Don't you feel it? Yes, I feel the excitement. Oh no, you're shaking your head. You're so boring. Only I feeling excited. Always like that one. I think I got a problem, right? I think I'm the one who is the problematic one. Okay, so yesterday we finished with paper 1, booklet A completely. And we started off with booklet B also. We did about 10 questions from paper 1 yesterday. Today we are finishing off with the booklet B, 5 questions and go into paper 2. Is that clear? Yeah, good. All right, so let's look at question 26. Children, are you ready? All right, I know you all missed my straight line drawings. Okay, let's look at this. A rectangle has a breadth of 2y plus 3 cm long. All right, so breadth of a rectangle. Okay. Sometimes, you know, when you go into the exam hall, wow, your heart is pumping so fast. All right, they start to sweat and all this. Chill. Take a step back, breathe in, calm yourself down, draw a rectangle. All right, so you learn to calm yourself down. Okay, and the length is the longer side, the breadth is the shorter side. A rectangle has a breadth of 2y plus 3. So down here, the breadth is 2y plus 3. Down here is also 2y plus 3. So the breadth is the same length as the breadth. The length is the same length as the length over here. Is that okay? All right, so down here, what's happening? Oh, the length is 5 cm longer than the breadth. Longer means what? Longer means you have to plus, correct or not? All right, so down here must plus a 5. Must plus a 5. Longer than the breadth, right? So the breadth is 2y plus 3. 2y plus 3, you just got to plus a 5. What is the perimeter? Oh my goodness. Easy. All right, so sometimes they say algebra is difficult. No. Maybe in secondary 4. But primary 6 is very simple. It's very simple. So usually I go one round. So 2y plus 3 plus 5 plus 2y plus 3, the breadth, plus 2y plus 3 plus 5 plus 2y plus 3. So I go in a clockwise direction. Can? All right, so I will do somewhat rearranging. Very good. You all know my pattern already, right? So this 2y and 2y are all friends. And the sign in front of the number and alphabet is together one. Can? And this one, very nice. How come? Because everybody, right, is all plus. All right, everybody is plus. I love plus, the symbol plus. Why? Because stay positive. All right, plus is a positive sign. Woo! Stay positive. All right, in Sec 1, you will learn this if you are attending my lesson. All right, that is called Burn's theory number 1. Stay positive. All right. Okay, so down here, what do you have? You write all the 2y together. Come on, 2y, let's get it. 2y plus 2y plus 2y plus 2y. All right, and the rest of the numbers continue at the back. Plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Children, sometimes what do I do down here? I'll do a counting. You know that? I will check whether I got correct number of items or not. Look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count. So down here, I do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. All right, so total got 10 items on top. I never miss out any. All right, I never miss out any. So that's important also. So along the way, right, you have to do some checking also. Can? So 2y plus 2y plus 2y plus 2y is a 8y. Woo! Then the green color numbers, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so it's a plus 22. And that is your answer. Is that okay? Of course, you have an easier way of doing. All right, I'm just doing the slightly longer way. All right, I'm just doing the slightly longer way so that you are able to see the steps that I always do. All right, and the steps that I always do, right, it's very systematic one, very hard to have careless mistake one. All right, that's the reason why I write out everything. When I write out, I can see, I can do, I don't make mistakes. Seldom lah. All right, seldom. Can? Okay, so that is the answer for question 26. All right, the time now is 4:05. I'm going to stop you from renaming yourself. Thank you for trying to name yourself your proper name from 88 Tuition. Thank you so much. All right, so now the administrator is actually marking the attendance. All right, you are here. That's important. Those people not here. Okay, anyway. Okay, question 27. Question 27. Let's take a look. Oh, the figure below is made up of 3 5 cm cube. All right, a cube means what? All the sides the same. All right, in terms of the length. So 5 cm by 5 cm by 5 cm and so on. Find the total surface area of the figure. Can I purposely go and find the area of one cube first? All right. Can I go and find the surface area of one cube first? Not the surface area, sorry, the one side. What's the meaning of one side? Sorry, I tried to swallow all my saliva just now. Excuse me. All right, so the surface area of one side, like that. All right, how do you find the area of one side? Okay, so area of one side is equal to what? Is equal to, because the sides are the same, right? 5 cm by 5 cm. So simply 5 times 5 is equal to 25 minutes too late. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, 25 minutes. Have you heard of this song before? Never, right? Yeah, not your generation, my generation. Your dad and mom got here before. It's called 25 minutes. Michael Learns to Rock. Huh? Don't know, right? You only know things like what? Korean, what? K-pop, G-pop, girls' generation, right? Sorry, I'm not in that generation. My generation is 25 minutes. Okay, so down here, how many surfaces are there that you can touch? The meaning of total surface area, right? The meaning of total surface area to me is the place you can touch. Can touch. All right. So for example, in between this cube and this cube, right? There's this portion. There's overlapping. Can you touch it now? Can you use your finger and go and touch it now? Cannot. All right. Can touch means that the place you can touch. Okay. In between here, in between these two cubes, can you put your finger in and touch it or not? Cannot. All right. So that's the place that cannot touch. So where is the places that you can touch? Okay. So you have to count. So on top is 1, 2, 3, behind 4, 5. All right. So on top got 5 already. Cannot. All right. And the below one, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind got 5 and 6. All right. And bottom down here got 1, 2. Can you see or not? Then this portion here, and this portion, right? Just imagine if you move the top cube, right? You move the top cube to one side. Actually, this and this, right? It makes up another one thing. Can you see or not? So total got how many? You have to count them systematically and carefully. 5 plus 6, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total got 14 sides. Can you see or not? All right, you have to slowly count. No choice. 14 sides, slowly count. All right, just move one cube to the other side. Then one total square on top will be exposed. Okay? This is for paper 1. I think you are late. All right, this is for paper 1, question 26 to 30. Yesterday, we haven't finished yet. All right. Okay, so 14 sides. One side is 25, right? So what is the area of 14 sides? What is the area of 14 sides? So you simply got to take 25 cm squared times 14. And your answer will be, oh, okay, better do your working. 25 times 14. Okay, that will be equal to what? All right, by now you should know how to multiply by 2 numbers, please. Can? So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Put a 0 here. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Down here is a plus. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Answer is 350 cm squared. And that's your answer. Woo! So remember the meaning of total surface area is can touch, right? Can touch. Can. My administrator tells me that there are two children, right? The name is still incorrect, right? There's one called enemy, is it? Enemies imp and high. All right. These two student enemies, him, imp, and high. Can you please change your name, all right, to your proper name? Okay, I'm going to allow renaming again. All right, the rest just keep cool, huh? All right, these two students, can you please change your name? All right, I don't think your name is called High. Imagine, hi. Sorry. Maybe, all right, I'm sorry. If your name is High, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. All right, but really, man, huh? Your dad calls you High? All right, I think your name is very special, huh? So if those two kids, right, the name is called High and enemy imps. Right, can you please change your name? How to change? Okay. All right. Okay. Maybe enemy imp. Can you please just type into the chat? Yeah, I can see your name there. All right, you just type your name in the chat. We just want to have a record who is here. Can? Okay, and hi. Yeah, hi. Hi, can you also please? Yeah. Can? Yeah, okay, these two, can you please change your name? All right, if not, then just type in the chat your name. All right, later then I go and find out who you are. All right. Okay, so what is happening is actually I thought it is 15 sides. Where got 15 sides? Oh no, is it? Janelle say, because Janelle yesterday answered one of my question correctly. I trust Janelle, so I better check my work. Okay, let me check. On top got one. Then the on top the cube, right? The four faces, the front, left, right, and the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Total got 5. Then we talk about the bottom cube. Bottom got 2 down here. The facing one, 1, 2. The side 3, 4. The back 5, 6. Correct. 6 is correct. The bottom got 2. Correct. Then got 1. The 1 is a combination of these two places. Right? Correct. Right? 5 plus 6, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 sides 对吗? Right. Jordan, 14, right? Yeah. Right. Some of you think that, right, maybe 1 cube, right? 1 cube got 6, what? Okay. Don't be angry. All right. Some of you think that 1 cube, right, got 6 sides, right? So 3 cubes will have how many? 3 cubes will have 6 times 3, 18 sides, right? Eh? But how come there's only 14 sides? All right. As you can see, I say already, in the center down here, look, children, look. In the center here, all right, between the two cubes, right, in the center down there, you cannot touch, right? So that one is not counted. But that one you got to double count. 1 cube got 6 sides, right? So the first cube, let's talk about this as the first cube. The first cube got the center that is what? That is you cannot touch. The second cube on the right also got the second cube that you cannot touch. So that one is 2 sides cannot touch already, right? Correct or not? So that will be what? 18 minus 2, 16 already, correct or not? Then on top this cube, right, there's a bottom. The bottom you also cannot touch, right? So there's one side you cannot touch. Correct or not? So another one, 18 minus the 2, minus 1 is what? 15, right? Then these two cube, right? Cube 1 and 2. On top, right? Because it's covered by the first cube. All right. So there is one square that never touched also. Correct or not? So total, right? Total is 18 minus the 2. All right, they're facing each other. And minus another 2, the top 2 facing each other. Can you see now? Why are we talking about touching? Touching means the place that we can touch. The meaning of total surface area is, for example, you have a cube in front of you, the place that you can touch. All right, you can touch the top, you can touch the side, you can touch the front and back, you can touch the bottom, right? So the meaning of total surface area is the place that you can touch the cube. Now, correct, you're right. This one is glued together. So the part that is glued together cannot touch, right? Very good. Okay, you put it easier for me. Thank you, one of you. Thank you so much. So the place that is glued together cannot be touched, right? So that part you cannot count. Thank you so much. All right, so the answer is still 350. Can you must know this because in secondary school, so they will teach you how to what? Find the total surface area and all this also. Then you must know where to find. Okay, question 28. Let's go. A shopping mall provides